Hello all. Today we will continue our discussion on Instagram design. So till now we have discussed several part of it. Now it's time to discuss reliability part of it. As we have discussed earlier in this design discussion, that reliability is most important part of any social media design. Because what will happen is that user whatever they have uploaded video and all those things, they want those things to be available. For this part, uh, we will try to explore more. So this reliability comes from the redundancy. How it comes? More you make data redundant, you add more replication of the data, you will have more reliability. So suppose one of the server failure, one of the persistent storage failure, any of these things failure, you will always have at least one copy running which will be providing data. So by adding more replication or redundancy, we provide reliability. So what will happen is that we will add multiple copies of storage, multiple copies of servers, multiple copies of our object storage so that we can add more reliability towards it. So as part of this discussion itself, you can say that how you are going to use cap theorem in it. So as cap theorem says that it's out of consistency, availability, and partition tolerant, you can have only two. So here what you can say that I want to avail availability and partition tolerance because these two provides reliability to my social media system. Consistency part is thing is fine because even if someone has uploaded photo and it's visible to him and it's not visible to others, then also it's fine and it's not a worry for user. So after some time also if it's available that's fine. So you can say that as part of persistent storage you will be having a mixed rule of replication. What is mixed rule is like you will have at least one replication which is consistent, means that it is synchronous replication. As soon as data is written to 1 dB, it will always be written to another dB, another replication, then only response will be written. And you will have several other instances which are running asynchronously, which will get replicated from this, but response has already written. So what will happen? Data read other people whosoever are reading, they can read data from other services, which is not consistent right now, but eventually it will get consistent after some time. So you can say that you are going to have a toll on consistency part. So now let's discuss upon this. For our CDN system, we have created three replications because images and all those things are very critical for us. For our metadata, we have created one more replication. The Cassandra automatically provides replication out of it. For upload server, we have provided two more servers which are running. For download, we have provided three more servers, given that download will always have a high traffic. So with this diagram addition to all these things, you can explain more about this reliability part.